Want to know the technique that separates beginner editors from professionals? JCut is the secret. It's way simpler than you think. So for the JCut, here you need to make a perfect cut. You need to cut the video not very soon and not very late. Hit on the C. So here we are going to make a cut, and from here it starts. Similar thing we are going to do here. Here also it become null here and it become null here. Yeah. Then here it goes to 0. Hit on the V and simply you need to delete. Now we have all the cuts. Your video plays first and the video of the second clip plays at the start when the audio of the first video ends. So here what we are going to do is, and you need to see from where the audio spikes. Okay, for me the audio spikes at here. It fades around here and we have made the adjustment. Now what you need to do, you need to unlink the audio. So hit on unlink, and this way what you are going to do, you need to shift the audio below the track. Once you do that, select the entire clip to adjust. As you can see, the audio ends and from here the audio starts, and at this point the peak of the video starts. So similar to this we need to do with the remaining audio as well. It starts from here, so hit on alt, match it from here to here, and from here same thing, unlink, and you make sure that you don't move anything here and there, otherwise the audio will not be synced properly. Now let's play this video.
This is a sample video. Sample video is where I speak and I take a few pauses. Sometimes I might even say important things like this. Other times I'm probably gonna say something absolutely useless.
So as you see, this is how it looks like in a JCut. Now you always remember that collapse the audio of second clip with the first, and you do this with the alternate clips and everything. And this is how you make the JCut in your Premiere Pro. So if you like this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Until then, see you. Bye bye. Thank you.